Today, I'll talk about the three pillars of sustainability: the people, planet, and profit, and how they relate to sustainable tourism. First, we have people. This focuses on the social side, like helping local communities, supporting education, health, and improving quality of life. In tourism, this means respecting local culture and making sure people benefit from visitors. Second, we have planet. This is about protecting the environment, our water, air, land, and natural resources. Sustainable tourism encourages travelers to save energy and reduce waste. Lastly, we have profit. This means keeping businesses and economies strong. Tourism should bring income and jobs while staying fair and responsible. When we balance people, planet, and profit, tourism becomes sustainable. It's equitable, viable, and variable. Together, we can travel responsibly and make tourism good for everyone and for our planet. Thank you.